Oh, damn.
Oh.
Friendship, which is a little better.
What it do, baby? Back here with another reaction.
Family got best
Very
of
best of
evil.
Michael. The very best of Michael.
Come here.
What, bro?
Come here. I won't disrespect you in your own
What you
house.
putting your hands on me for? Get your hands on me. Get your hands on me, bro.
Let's go, bro.
It's not my fault you was a starring Family Guy. They cut you.
Let's go.
It's not my fault they cut you. It makes sense why you mess with me though, because you used to messing with bigger people. I get it now. I get it. It's alright.
Yeah.
God, I finally get some time away from the evil monkey in my closet.
There goes Mike.
Yeah. Wow. My nigga just wanted to chill. Yeah.
You gotta keep. Oh.
My nigga just wanted to chill and get him away from the house. That's why he was evil. It's
That
understandable.
is a horrible blood.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Evil monkey is there.
Well, we
Yeah.
can't keep it in my room because there's an evil monkey that lives in my closet. You know the sad part
Why don't they
Why
ever-
was you living in that man's closet, Michael?
Bro,
I'm just wondering.
I mean,
I'm just wondering.
it's the perks, man. The perks
Ooh.
of being on national TV,
Okay.
living with superstars.
Okay, but it didn't help you nothing.
I
You
thought
still came back to the hood.
I thought it would.
We had to build up.
I thought it would. I thought it would.
He wasn't always evil.
What happened?
Honey, good news. I made partner.
Oh, I remember this. I remember this one. Yes,
That's
sir.
fucked up. That's fucked
Holy
up.
crap, Chris, is that thing dangerous?
What happened
Yes.
to the
Oh,
audio?
he cut it.
Oh, he had to
I'm
cut
not
it.
really evil.
It's hot.
Damn.
If someone will please untie me, I'll explain everything.
No, Dad, don't do it. He's
Don't
evil.
listen.
Look, just trust me. This is all a huge misunderstanding.
Chris, I think we should give him a chance to explain himself.
No!
Thank you very much. Now, I know this looks bad, me living in your son's closet and all, but it's a very complex situation. You see, basically, I got home from work one day and found my wife cheating on me with another
Right.
monkey. I fell into a deep depression after the divorce, which ended up costing me my job. All my money was gone, which means I lost the house. So I moved into Chris's closet just until I got back on my feet again. Wound up living in there for 9 years.
Damn.
Go, Dad.
God
damn.
Get away from the evil monkey that lives in my...
9 years?
Shut up, Ed. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Oh.
Monkey in the closet.
He ain't there. Oh, there you go.
Like how you talking about this.
And this is Chris. Chris, this is my son, Dylan.
Hi,
What?
Dylan.
Damn,
All this stuff
Brian
in
had
here
a-
is mine now. Oh. Well, okay, but be careful opening the closet, because that's where the evil monkey lives.
Damn. Oh, whoa, whoa,
Yo!
Dylan.
Yay! I haven't been in my closet for years. Boy, there is a lot of feces in here.
Oh, of course.
He beat the shit out of that man.
Damn, got him.
I
Got his
you,
ass.
bastard.
Got his ass. Bring him on
There
down.
he is, the evil monkey. Do you believe me now?
Holy crap!
It is real. Oh my God! I thought I was the only one.
What the f?
Meg, we're doing...
That bitch got a gorilla. That is a gorilla.
Oh,
That is a gorilla.
Oh.
We're doing Chris's monkey.
Easy for you to say. He doesn't hide in your closet making a scary face.
That's just the face I make when I'm thinking.
And you're always pointing at me.
I was trying to start a conversation.
And you do that weird trembling thing.
I have a copper deficiency. Look, Chris, I'm
Wow.
sorry if I scared
Wow.
you before, but this is a great chance for us to start over.
No, it isn't. You can fool everyone else, but you can't fool me. You go to hell.
Miss Cyrus, I ask you to stop what you're doing. I don't just mean this, I mean everything. The show, the music, it's all just awful.
Oh, Miley Cyrus.
Oh!
Damn.
That.
Damn.
Do you realize what they're doing?
No, what do they do?
It's King Kong in reverse.
Oh, in reverse. Ah, okay.
You're carrying a woman,
Okay.
but she's carrying a monkey.
Okay. Okay. I see what's going on here. Wow, Peter and Quagmire.
All right, Peter, we're closing in. Get ready to fire.
Isn't that a little overkill?
Yeah, that's a whole lot of. Well, if she able to climb a building like that, then it is what. Damn.
Damn, Miley Cyrus is strong as hell. What's she made out of? Titanium?
Monkey, grab my hand.
That boy Quagmire really a pilot. For real, for real.
Right.
No cap.
This nigga about to hit the ground.
This is-
We about to watch a monkey die. Splat. Oh,
Oh,
shit.
that's okay.
Crazy.
That's
Okay.
off into the sunset. All right then.
That hoe ran out of gas or some shit.
It's a- Oh,
Don't come out for the rest of the night.
But I don't want to go to my room. There's an evil monkey in my closet.
Evil monkey. That's funny.
ah!
Let that happen.
I am in no mood.
Oh God! I gotta get out of here! Stewie, calm down. Get a hold of yourself.
Here, Brian, let me handle this. Calm down. Everything's gonna be all right.
Chris, you're wanted on the
Damn.
phone. Everything's gonna be all right.
Oh, everybody damn.
Dad, there's an evil monkey in my closet.
I don't care, son. I just do not care.
Damn. That's fucked up.
Friendship is the best thing ever, except for best friendship, which is a little better.
You mean a lot better.
They do Meg so wrong.
Now we're friends.
They do her.
You know, I be forgetting that's what's her name? Mila Kunis? What's her name?
That's singing the song? Or
No. Who plays Meg?
who plays Meg? Oh, comment down below if you know who plays Meg.
I feel, she was on That 70 Show. She's pretty hot. This is crazy. They treat her like shit.
Yeah, they treat it like shit. Like dog water.
Else can friend me like you.
Aquaman.
Really?
Oh, damn.
Whoa.
Thing ever,
Whoa, they can't.
friendship, which is a little better.
They put that man on a platter. That's fuck.
You mean a lot better.
I mean a lot better with you.
Well, at least I don't have to worry about the evil monkey here.
Chris, why don't you put these upstairs in your closet so we don't lose them?
But the evil monkey lives in my closet. Of course, he hasn't been as evil since he became a Jehovah's Witness.
Oh. That's funny.
Oh, we got a letter from Chris. Okay, he says
What was
he's
they?
doing great.
Was they listening to?
I don't know. It was no other sound.
Huh?
I don't know what that was. I don't think that was Cheeks.
Having a wonderful
I
time.
think that was cheeks
He
clapping.
met a girl. He got married. He says he's not coming back.
The monkey. My boy sad.
You was sad when your boy left.
Shut your ass.
I just wanted like
Oh,
talk to
ass
me.
nigga.
Just
Go
talk to me, my
ahead.
boy.
Go ahead,
Yeah.
my boy.
You gonna be sad?
Feed
What?
me and protect me.
You gonna be sad too when I leave, my boy? Yeah. So you admit that was you?
Me from the evil monkey in my closet.
Now, Chris, you know there's no such thing.
How do they not see him?
No. Every time I try to study, the evil monkey comes out of my closet and scares me.
That nigga parents suck.
Yeah, they suck at. What is he doing in there?
That nigga didn't find no way.
What is
in
he
their
doing
room.
in there?
Imagine if you clapped that monkey.
Why is he? This man is a. This nigga really in that hole.
Just sleep.
Just sleep. All right, y'all. That's gonna do it. Evil Monkey, he don't really have a lot of different moments. It's a lot of, you know.
Yeah, you did the same thing the whole series,
Fuck
bro.
you,
I'm just saying.
swear.
I'm just saying, my boy, you
you.
did the same thing the entire series.
Sheesh, that's gonna do it. We'll catch you in the next one.
Peace out.
My endeavor, my endeavor, my endeavor. Fire burns hot, this is my endeavor, my endeavor, my endeavor. A fire burns hot, yeah. Right, ice, flame left. Right, ice, flame left. Right, ice, flame left. Right, ice, flame left.
Few A's, my alma mater. I'm a mama's boy, so fuck